Namaste, I am Harsha. I am representing LGS Research Foundation. This video is briefing the practical works needed in the activity category number 10 available under the LGS Research Foundation. As you know, all the activities available under us are having the 10 tasks. Format is same, only the contents or question will keep varying. However, task number 3 and 4, these are the field works that are needed. Students can conduct all the 10 tasks nearby their own location. They need not to travel outskirts or travel to far distance. Theoretical answers they can submit from their own location, whereas for the field visit and the survey, they can conduct within 3 to 4 kilometer radius of their own location. Suppose if they are staying in hostel, PG, home or hometown, wherever they are, from that point within 3 to 4 kilometers, they need to complete this activity. They need to visit for the field visit and they can conduct the surveys. There is no need for a student to visit our office for the implementation. They can submit the answers from wherever they are. That doesn't mean this is an online activity. This is a offline activity. Student will implement nearby their own location. However, the answers are submitted on to the mobile application for the report generation and the proofs. This is the activity selected for the explanation in this video. Activity category number 10, developing and managing efficient garbage disposal system. And the title we have selected is waste to energy scheme, converting a kitchen waste to compost. Survey can be done with any member of a family, 10 different homes, and field visit. There is no field visit in this activity. Student need to do a volunteer work of converting 1 kg of their own kitchen waste to compost. As you see in the left side, upon completing all 10 tasks, we will generate a report and issue to a student. That is a PDF copy containing 50 plus pages with the certificate and the theory practical proofs. The objective of this activity is to efficiently manage the garbage. So one such is domestic waste. Domestic waste, uh, not the sewage waste we are considering here. Whatever the kitchen waste like vegetable peels, fruit peels, egg shells, whatever the wastes are there. How to convert this kitchen waste to a compost that can be used as a agri nutrient. That is the volunteer work here. So the social issue or problem statement considered here is volunteer work by a student to convert a kitchen waste to a compost in his or her home and proposing a solution to convert this to a company or to generate or to develop or to propose a product that can convert waste to a compost within home itself. So student need to submit in theory the answer to case study questions, solution as a public, as an IAS officer, as an engineer, startup idea and financial requisites to convert this idea to a company. The field works is survey with 10 individuals and volunteer work of converting 1 kg of kitchen waste to compost. So let us see how this waste can be converted to a compost. I have a reference video, so this will help student to take a decision whether this activity can be selected for them, whether it will be easy for them or not. Okay, so let us
In this video, we will learn how to make organic compost at home. This simple process is smell-free and easy to implement. In order to make compost, you simply need a container. For that, select a container. It can be anything from a bucket to a normal dustbin or a garden pot. Make sure to make some holes at the bottom so as to let some air in easily. A shallow tub or tray to collect the drained water.
That's good.
To prepare the most nutrient rich compost, we will require these ingredients. Eggshells are made out of calcium carbonate. Calcium helps the plant to develop a strong cellular structure. Neem leaves are rich in vitamins, minerals and enzymes and helps to increase plants' resistance to pest attacks. Garden soil will keep the bad smell away and it will fasten the composting process. Compost will introduce the bacteria and earthworms which will fasten the decomposing process. Banana peels add potassium as well as small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium. Green kitchen waste is high in nitrogen and helps to activate the heat process. In order to help compost break down faster, shred kitchen waste since it takes longer for larger pieces to break down. This will speed up the time it takes to make compost. You can also add wood chips, straw or hay, shrub prunings, pine needle, shredded paper or newspaper, coffee grounds and other things. Layer the bottom of the container with 1 inch of soil and after that 1 inch of compost to start the pile, which will help to introduce the correct bacteria. Best place to start composting is outdoors, but you can even start the process inside your home. The best kitchen scrap to add your compost pile are those fruit and vegetable scraps because they break down quickly and do not attract rodents and insects in the same way that animal products do. Green material which are high in nitrogen are used to activate the heat process in your compost. Add crushed eggshells to add calcium and other minerals in the compost. Add neem leaves to the mix as it will add antibacterial properties to your compost. Repeat the process and add multiple layers of kitchen waste, compost and soil respectively. All the items should come into contact with one another and should be laid down in their layers that are only a few inches deep. To fasten the process, we will use normal soil and compost. Compost will also introduce earthworms in the mixture, which will help the mix to decompose quickly. Garden soil will keep the bad smell away and it will fasten the composting process. To avoid any spills, place a shallow container or tray underneath the container. Water the mix thoroughly. Keep the container in full sunlight as in the sun, waste will break down quicker but it will need more water. Reuse the collected drained water as it contains useful bacteria and essential nutrients. Keep the drainage pot underneath the container for at least 10 to 15 days.
Student can do this for 7 days, that would be sufficient.
Whenever compost pile starts to dry up, add more water to it. It is a good idea to mix your compost on a regular basis as it helps to encourage the growth of the right kind of bacteria that will help the compost to decompose faster. Make sure the mixture stays moist but not too wet. Turn your compost mixture to add air to the mix. This helps to speed up the composting process. At this stage, you can easily see some earth forms in the compost. They will make the compost more porous and will turn the waste into fertilizer. To fasten the process, cover the whole bin with a lid or simply cover it with dry leaves. Covering helps retain moisture and heat, two essentials for compost. It usually takes about 2 to 3 months for the compost to be made, depending on the weather conditions and the contents of your pile.
See, we do not wait for 2 to 3 months, just 7 days. Whatever the conversion has happened, we will keep that as a reporting format.
After 60 to 70 days, your compost is ready in poly bags or in simple garbage cans. Just keep the bags away from direct sun.
Okay, see, I have explained, I have shown the video of that is briefing how the kitchen waste can be converted to compost. We will keep this activity only for 7 to 10 days. Okay, and majority of, if students are unable to get all the materials that he has listed over there, with whatever is available, you can complete the activity, but it is just a volunteer work. Okay, I will share this video link in the manual. You can follow that as well. Now, to conduct the survey, student can conduct survey with any 10 uh, in charge of the home, whether it is male or female. This student has conducted with the female members. That is fantastic. That is excellent. But you can take any other option as well. Survey answers are to be uploaded on the application. And while conducting the survey, you have to show whatever the video I have shown now. You have to show that video to the surveyed person, like the way this student has showed to the all the members in the survey. Okay, now there is no field visit as such, so you need to compost of 1 kg of kitchen waste. If you are in a PG or hostel, you can do this in a small mug, or you can do this in a garden. Okay, if you are in a home or hometown, you can do this activity easily. And these are the survey photos, sorry, field visit photos, or field work photos that the student has attached. This student has done the process. Okay, you can capture the photos in on different days. And also, as a one part of the one question in this list is, you can check the question number 8. Mention the YouTube URL of video uploaded by student on the compost generation activity. 7 days, whatever the student work has done, he has to make a create a video of around 2 minutes. Okay, that will brief whatever the work the student has done. This student has done the work and he has uploaded the video, so let us watch that as a reference. Students need to follow the pattern that 2 minutes are sufficient. Whatever the conversion process that you have done, just record the video for 3 to 4 days, and then edit the video, like add those clips of the video, and then create a 2 minutes of video. Okay. I'll share the reference later. This video has to be uploaded in the students YouTube channel, and this link has to be uploaded as an answer to this question number 8. Okay, now if you want to know summary of other activities, you can watch the other relevant videos. To purchase this activity, follow the procedure listed in how to purchase the activity. On a summary, what I can say is task number 4 includes the conversion process of kitchen waste to the compost. Take take video or clips of video, 10 seconds of video on each day. Combine it to make a video of minimum of 2 minutes. Upload on your YouTube channel, and this link has to be shared in a slot provided on the mobile application. Right? For any question, you can call me on this mobile number. Thank you.